Good afternoon, everybody. It has been a really busy day for me. Oh, hey, stop beeping at me. So, anyway, what we're working on today is a dig out. I got my, that's my subgrade. I'm going to see if it's too high, too low, what I need to do to it. That's just a little low. That's awesome, that's good. Because I'm just out here to build it up, I should say. Perfect. Check this back corner over here. Oh, well, the machine's blocking it. Perfect. We're about grade. So now I'm gonna get the driveway, the approach, and the sidewalks cut out, and gravel ordered. We're gonna get busy. Out. Move it up a little bit. It's gonna be 4 inches of gravel and then 4 inches of concrete. Wait, that's 2 inches of gravel, 4 inches of concrete. My bad. So I guess per erosion control on dig out stage, you need to have the sidewalks cut out. That's what I was told. Hope everybody had a good weekend. You guys can see, hopefully the glare is not all that bad. Anyway, don't take out the property pin. Oh, yeah. Oh, that's what I was saying. Yeah, it's a 5-foot sidewalk. We're gonna need dirt in this lot. Definitely. Cut a little wider so the concrete guys can take them an arm and a leg to dig it out. There's no sense in that. When the sun's here, it's warm. But when it goes behind that cloud, it gets cold. Cut that heater on, my hands are freezing. Little change of plans here, ladies and gentlemen. So there's that wall we took out the other day. It was about 4 foot out, and this has to be removed also. That's got to be set back 4 foot, I believe. So yeah, I'm gonna set you guys up outside and watch me tear it up. come back and pick all these up later with a backhoe, because I gotta go pull curbs. Onward! The wing over there to the driveway, there's a few of them like it, and I gotta go pull them out. There's 2 cuts right there, and that's relief cuts. So I'm gonna go and dig out behind that little square right there, knock it out with a sledgehammer, same thing with that one, then I'll pull it. That's so that, like, when I go to pull this, it won't pinch the edges that don't need to come out. Out now. He's doing pretty good on his final grades over there. Give him a little brain break. Final grade can rack your brain though. Messing with different grades and trying to get flow all different directions. Pretty oh, that's the custom heater. Oh. Oh. Sorry. Like stacking blocks. Oh. I don't know where you're gonna put it. Somewhere over there. For free. You don't want out of him. So this morning, the 312, I started it, let it warm up for like 20 minutes, and then I shut it off because I was using the skid steer. And I shut it off and went to go turn it back on again to use it, and it wouldn't start. With the batteries, we'll kind of find out. The mechanic just showed up, and the belt is so loose on the alternator. The batteries are good, it's just they're not getting any charge, or enough charge. It is what it is. Got to take it into the shop. Get it on the trailer. Free. Alright guys, sorry my battery died, but you didn't miss much. Just handling all the small little things before we move on to the next utility, which I'm going to start digging tomorrow. So if you're new here, don't forget to do 3 little things: subscribe, like, and comment. Thank you for watching. Have a good one, and we'll catch you next time.